How to remove background in Canva. Let's get into it. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to open up Canva and you're going to sign in. Now you are going to require Canva Pro for this one. So make sure you have Canva Pro. Then what you're going to do is you're going to open up, let's say any of these. Let's say you want to create a logo and you want to remove the background on it. You're going to open it up over here and wait for it to load up. And then you have, let's say, this design, right? And you want to remove the background from this design. So what you do is just simply click on share, click on download, and then right over here you have PNG. You got to select PNG, and then over here select transparency, and then over here select transparent background. And as you can see, it has this crown over here, the dulled crown, which you are required to have a pro plan, otherwise it won't work. But if you don't have a pro plan, that's fine. You just need to download it, right? Let's say we downloaded it, and then what we're going to do is we're going to come over here onto another tab, and we're going to go ahead and go to this website called remove.bg/upload, and then we're going to upload the image over here and go into pictures and select the image that we want, which is this one, and then wait for it to upload, and then it'll be done. And there you go. Now that it's removed, all we got to do is just simply click on download and download the image, and that is how you do it with the pro version and without the pro version. So thank you guys for watching, and that is how you create and that is how you remove a background from Canva.